Hey guys, I just wanted to make a video on how I put my makeup in the car. Alright, now I'm at church Sunday morning. I'm at church and we're early like always because we come here like at 9. An hour early because my husband practices. So right now I'm just putting on my foundation. I prime my face with the Milani spray. And I'm just putting my foundation on. I'm using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation, which is right. I'm using it as a prop so I can stand my phone up. But the color I'm using is soft beige. But yeah, so this is what I usually do whenever I end up putting makeup on here at church. I'm going in with my Photo Focus concealer from Wet n Wild as well in light medium beige. And I'm just dragging that under my eyes. Center, bottom, and on the side of my nose as well, and the side of my mouth as well. Again, going back in with that beauty blender. So how was everybody's weekend? Mine was pretty eventful. I had an eventful week, and yesterday was pretty interesting. It was fun and interesting. Hopefully today will be interesting as well, but every day is a blessing regardless. Featuring my daughter here trying to peek. Next, I'm going to go in with my brows, the LA Colors Brow Wowie pencil. You guys already know. I'm just gonna do my brows right quick. I'm sorry if I'm not looking directly at you guys. I have to use this mirror. It's literally in my face, so why not? Those are my brows, never perfect, but good enough. I'm just gonna use this powder to set my face. It's the Maybelline Better Skin Powder, Super Stay Better Skin Powder in Warm Nude. And I'm just gonna set my face so I can already put on my bronzer and highlight and all that good stuff. I really love this powder. I'm gonna be going in with this LA Colors palette. It's brown tweed, and I'm just gonna be using this like caramel color right here. Taking a Wet n Wild blender brush, and this is gonna be just a simple look. It's not gonna be like complicated or anything like that. It's just gonna be very simple.
Hi guys, I'm back to my channel.
I'm next gonna go in with this Wet n Wild palette called Walking on Eggshells, and it's just like a palette of 3 shades. I'm gonna be using this middle shade. It's almost like a bronzy consistency, bronzy shade, and I'm gonna be putting that a little bit on my crease, just a tad. I'm also gonna be going in with a BH Cosmetics tool in 4 blending brush. It's just a little bit more packed and less fluffy, because my Wet n Wild ones are really fluffy, which I love. just so I can get closer to the lash line. I mean, closer to my crease. I mean, precise on my crease, not closer, just precisely on my crease rather than blown out. Really love my Wet n Wild brushes to blow out my shades, like my crease shades.
Let's see what else. Ooh,
This is my first time like literally recording in the car, like while I'm putting my makeup on. My vlogs, I mean, normally you can see on my channel that I record in here a lot.
So,
But this summer my husband has the car, so I don't do much recording anymore, my vlogs.
this is a
By the way, my vlogs, I do have another account that my vlogs will be going to. I'm not gonna have them on this main account anymore. I'm next gonna go in with this brown bone shade, and it's just like a bone color shade. Going in, I'm gonna be highlighting the high point of my brow with that.
It's like a white color.
I was gonna be using that for my inner corner, just to like brighten up my inner corners a little bit. Going in and just blending that warmer shade that we first put down. There's this shade right here that I like.
Okay,
Maybe I
so
should just use that one. Yeah, I'll just use this one.
this.
I'm gonna use this eyelid shade right here. It's almost like a light wash of pink.
I have scissors.
I'm gonna tap that onto my lid.
Show you guys like how messy the scissors are. So messy, it's coloring. So
I'm gonna go back in with that crease shade, the middle palette from the center, and go back in and just define it a little bit more. I wanna go in with that crease shade that we first went in with from the LA Color palette, and
I have this little purse.
I'm next gonna go in with my brow precise volume 5 voluminizer, just to give my inner brows more hair-like effect.
Yes.
I'm next gonna be going in with my mascara, which is a pure fully charged mascara. Next we're gonna be going in with the Maybelline Master Contour Palette, and I'm gonna be contouring my cheeks.
Let me contour my cheeks a little bit, not a lot. There you go.
Next I'm gonna go in with blush from that same palette. Normally I will go more with like a peachy blush, but this one's more like pink toned, and I don't have my blushes right now. Last layer is my lips, I believe so.
And you blush.
I already put blush on. Oh, my bronzer. My bronzer's from e.l.f. Now I'm going to be going in with my lip product, which I think I ran out of. I don't have my sharpener, but I'm going to go in with my Wet n Wild Willow lip pencil, which is my favorite, as you guys well know. I'm going to try to do the best I can because I don't have a sharpener. we went with the Kathleen Lights Miami Fever liquid lipstick by Ofra. And that is a completed look. Let me just do my hair real quick. So that is a finished look. I hope you guys really did enjoy this video. Please give this video a big thumbs up if you did enjoy it. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I will see you guys in my other video. God bless you guys. Bye.